Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here four different diols are given PQRS. P is terminal diol, Q is terminal diol with methyl group on middle, R is 1,3 diol and you have side chain, and S is also 1,3 diol with 2 position you have methyl group. You have to find among the four which one undergo quick decarboxylation. Here the answer lies in the intermediate and intermediate stability with hydrogen bonding. The PQRS, if you treat it with CrO3, you form acid and a ketone there. Terminal alcohol form acid, middle one form ketone. So P form diacid, Q also form diacid, R form ketoacid, S also form ketoacid. For decarboxylation, you have 6-member transition state. Only with beta ketoacid you have 6-member transition state. The small ring always creates the strain. Big ring is not stable. So easy decarboxylation occur with the 6-member transition state with hydrogen bonding. So our answer is Q and S. Q and S have the possibility of hydrogen bonding. Hence the easy decarboxylation. Here the concept you have to learn here is beta ketoacid undergo CO2 elimination with the help of hydrogen bonding. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.